Good afternoon. Okay, let me pull up my screen. Okay. And okay, hari ini kita nak fokus untuk dua topik yang terakhir, dua clause yang terakhir untuk IATF requirement. So clause yang ke-9, performance evaluation. And also clause number 10, improvement. Penilaian prestasi untuk bisnes kita, operation kita dan juga penambahbaikan lah untuk bisnes kita ataupun proses-proses kita. Okay. Let's go to the IATF clause. Okay, clause yang ke-9 di sini. Okay, 9.1.1 monitoring and measurements of manufacturing processes. Okay. The organization shall perform process studies on all new manufacturing, including assembly or sequencing processes to verify process capability and to provide additional input for process control, including those for special characteristics. Note, for some manufacturing processes, it may not be possible to demonstrate product compliance through process capability. For those processes, alternate methods such as batch conformance to specification may be used. Okay, fokus untuk clause ini, 9.1.1, ialah process capability, keupayaan proses kita untuk proses-proses yang baru, untuk model-model yang baru. Okay, dan dia nak kita study proses-proses yang kritikal termasuk yang berkaitan dengan special characteristic. So nak pakai cara statistik kan untuk measure proses capability. Anda mungkin pernah dengar Madam Tay cakap CPK study, PPK study dan sebagainya. Okay, now, okay, let's move on. Okay, di sini. Okay, next, the organization shall maintain manufacturing process capability or performance result as specified by the customer part approval process requirement. The organization shall verify that the process flow diagram, PFMEA, and control plan are implemented, including adherence to the following measurement techniques, sampling plans, acceptance criteria, records of actual measurement values, and all test results for variable data, reaction plans and excavation process when acceptance criteria are not met. Okay, so fokus di sini adalah control plan. Ya, control plan perlu diwujudkan dan control plan ya. Okay, let me put this out. So mula-mula kita study proses, kita ada process flow. Ya, process flow. And then kita wujudkan kita punya FMEA study. And last kali kita establish ya, wujudkan kita punya control plan. So di clause ini dia menekankan benda-benda ini. Okay, and let's back to our clause. So contoh control plan ya, ini dia contoh control plan. So this is the process chart. This is the numbering, the name of the process, dokumen-dokumen yang berkenaan, equipment yang perlu dipakai, quality characteristic, okay, untuk produk dan proses. Oops. Is there any special characteristic yang critical ke atau significant? Okay, product process specifications ataupun tolerance. Cara-cara untuk buat evaluation measurements. Okay, sampling size. Okay, the control method dan record-record yang berkenaan. Dan kalau berlaku non-conformity, cara-cara untuk buat escalations ya. Take actions and disposition macam mana. Okay, so this is contoh of the control plan. Okay, now let's continue. Significant process events such as tool change or machine repair shall be recorded and retained as documented information. Okay, kalau ada tool change ataupun machine breakdown repair, kita perlu ada record-record yang berkenaan. The organization shall initiate a reaction plan indicated on the control plan and evaluated for impact on compliance to specification for characteristics that are either not statistically capable or are unstable. This reaction plan shall include containment of product and 100% inspection as appropriate. A corrective action plan shall be developed and implemented by the organization, indicating specific action timing and assign responsibility to ensure that the process becomes stable and statistically capable. The plan shall be reviewed with and approved by the customer when required. The organization shall maintain record of effective dates of process change. So apa yang masuk di sini ya? Jikalau berdasarkan control plan, kita berlaku case yang reject yang banyak, proses tidak stabil, proses tidak berupaya, the process is not under control, the process is not stable. So kita perlu ada action plan ya untuk address isu-isu itu. Contoh kena buat checking semula, rework semula dan sebagainya. Dan of course ya, kalau proses tak stabil, kita kena ada corrective action untuk bawa proses kita jadi terkawal semula ya, buat proses kita strong ya, make our process berupaya. So itu fokus dia untuk kelas ini. Alright, now let's move on. Okay, 9112, identifications of statistical tools. The organization shall determine the appropriate use of statistical tools. The organization shall verify that appropriate statistical tools are included as part of the advanced product quality planning or equivalent process and included in the design risk analysis such as the FMEA where applicable, the process risk analysis such as process FMEA and the control plan. So di sini the focus is here dalam kita punya new product planning, kita punya FMEA study ataupun control plan, kita kena consider lah nak pakai statistical tools. Contoh control chart, contoh nak study CPK, contoh nak buat MSA ke dan sebagainya. Alright, so 9112. Okay, 9113, applications of statistical concept. Statistical concepts such as variation, control, kurungan, stability, process capability, and the consequences of over-adjustment shall be understood and used by employees involved in the collection, analysis, and management of statistical data. So sini fokus dia ialah understood and used by the employees. Maksudnya cara nak pakai statistical study ataupun konsep kita perlulah difahami oleh kita punya employee lah. Yeah. So lebih kepada competency, topik-topik competency. So let's move on. Yeah, 9.2.1 customer satisfaction supplemental. Okay, allow me to study first. Customer satisfactions with the organization shall be monitored through continual evaluations of internal and external performance indicators to ensure compliance to the product and process specifications and other customer requirements. Okay, kita explain ya, perangan demi perangan. Okay, kepuasan hati pelanggan ya perlu dimonitor ataupun dipantau ya melalui penilaian ataupun evaluations internal ataupun external performance indicator KPI dalaman ataupun luaran. Okay, contoh ya, let's look at here. Okay, performance indicator shall be based on objective evidence and include but not be limited to the following: A, deliver part quality performance; B, customer disruptions; C, field returns, recalls, and warranty where applicable; D, delivery schedule performance including incidents of premium freight; customer notifications related to quality or delivery issues including special status. So the point is ya, nak measure ataupun pantau performance indicator ini ya perlu di-consider A sampai E. Lebih banyak lagi baguslah, tapi sekurang-kurangnya item A sampai E. Contoh berapa quality ya, berapa case of reject, berapa case of reject. Okay, and then customer disruption, contoh customer tempat line stop ke dan sebagainya. Okay, let's move on. The organization shall monitor the performance of manufacturing processes to demonstrate compliance with customer requirement for product quality and process efficiency. The monitoring shall include the review of customer performance data, including online customer portals and customer scorecard where applicable. Okay. Okay, kadang-kadang ya customer ada share kita punya performance. Contoh dia bagi kita maklumat ya tentang kita punya performance dari segi kualiti ataupun delivery. So kita perlu dapatkan maklumat ini ya dan kita nak sharekan maklumat ini kepada kita punya members lah in our organisation. So kita tahu ya overall ya berapa happy ya, berapa puas hati customer kita, pelanggan kita. Okay. Okay, the next topic is 9.1.3.1 prioritizations. Okay. Trends in quality and operation performance shall be compared with progress towards objective and lead to action to support prioritization of action to improve customer satisfaction. Prioritization maksudnya beri keutamaan. Beri keutamaan. So maksudnya kita ada set performance indicator. So of course ya, kalau yang capai baguslah, yang tak capai kita kena memperhebatkan action kita, mengutamakan action kita supaya kita boleh capai target yang kita ya yang tak dapat itulah ya. Okay, so itu ya, beri keutamaan. So next 9221 internal audit program. Okay, ini topik ni quite straightforward lah ya. I think some of you are internal auditor ya, some of you. I think siapa internal auditor ya yang saya ingat hari itu I think is Sawa ya, Sawa dan juga Aini ya, internal auditor. Okay. So the organization shall have a documented internal audit process. The process shall include the development and implementation of an internal audit program that covers the entire quality management system, including quality management system audits, manufacturing process audit, and product audit. So the key point is here, okay, nampak ini shall have a documented internal audit process kan, maksudnya kena ada turtle diagram, ya, turtle diagram. And internal audit ya ada 3 jenis. Pertama ialah QMS audits. Kedua, manufacturing process audit. Dan ketiga, product audit. Product audit. Okay. The audit program shall be prioritized based upon risk, internal and external performance trend and criticality of the processes. Okay. So audit program ini perlu di-arrange ataupun dijalankan, dilangsungkan ya berdasarkan situasi risiko untuk proses mana lagi tinggi, prestasi performance syarikat okay tak okay. Right. Now let's continue. Where the organization is responsible for software development, the organization shall include software development capability assessment in their internal audit program. So kalau syarikat anda buat software ya, tulis software atau coding, so ini software development capability assessment kan perlu masukkan dalam internal audit program. Masukkan dalam internal audit program. Okay, let's move on. The frequency of audit shall be reviewed and where appropriate adjusted based on occurrence of process changes, internal and external non-conformity and all customer complaints. The effectiveness of the audit program shall be reviewed as a part of management review. Okay, frequency, fokus dia di sini lah frequency of audit. Maksudnya berapa kerap kita buat audit, berapa kerap kita buat audit. Of course ya, kalau situasi tak okay, negatif ya, banyak customer complain, banyak reject dan sebagainya, mungkin kita nak buat internal audit lebih kerap. Asalnya 1 tahun sekali, kita nak buat 2 tahun sekali atau 3 tahun sekali. Depend on the situations. And audit punya outcome ataupun effectiveness ya, keberkesanan audit kan, kita perlu bincang ya, bincang dalam kita punya meeting management review. Okay. Let's move on. 9222. Quality Management System Audit. Ini ada Sanctioned Interpretation SI 14. Okay, yang biru ni maksudnya ada amendment. Okay. Right. The organization shall audit all quality management system processes over a 3-year audit cycle according to an annual program. Using the process approach to verify compliance with this automotive QMS standard integrated with these audits, the organization shall sample customer-specific quality management system requirement for effective implementation. Okay, so maksudnya kita ada banyak proses, banyak turtle ya dalam QMS, IATF ataupun ISO. So dia bagi satu requirement di mana you ada 3 tahun punya kitaran ya untuk you complete semua audit untuk processes ini. Okay. Dan semasa kita buat audit, kita kena buat sampling check ya berdasarkan customer specific requirement ya, CSR. Okay. The complete audit cycle remains 3 years in length. The quality management system audit frequency for individual processes audited within the 3-year audit cycle shall be based upon internal and external performance and risk. Organizations shall maintain justification for the assigned audit frequency of their processes. All processes are required to be sampled throughout the 3-year audit cycle and audited to all applicable requirements in the IATF 16949 standard, including ISO-based requirements and any customer specific requirement. So maksud dia dalam 3 tahun ini, ya, panjangnya 3 tahun lah, kita kena buat audit untuk semua proses bawah QMS. Of course, kalau proses itu ada masalah, maksudnya ada risiko, ada customer complaint atau proses itu tak stabil, kita buat sampling lebih banyak lah dalam 3 tahun, tempoh 3 tahun ni. Right? Of course, kalau proses yang stabil tak banyak masalah, then you boleh audit 1 kali dalam tempoh 3 tahun ini. Okay, let's continue. 9223, Manufacturing Process Audit. Sini ada FAQ 19 and FAQ 28. The organization shall audit all manufacturing processes over each 3-year calendar period to determine their effectiveness and efficiency using customer-specific required approach for process audit. Where not defined by the customer, the organization shall determine the approach to be used. Okay, apa ini ya? Ia fokus untuk manufacturing, production QC. So sama juga dia bagi tempoh 3 tahun untuk you completekan semua processes punya audit lah. Dan kita kena refer kepada customer specific requirement. Kalau customer ada apa-apa special requirement, kita kena ikut semasa nak buat proses audit ini. Okay, with each individual audit plan, each manufacturing process shall be audited on all shift when it occurs, including the appropriate sampling of the shift and handover. So kalau you ada shift pagi, malam, so semua proses ini perlu ada audit. Bukan just fokus pagi ke sahaja ya. Kalau malam ada night shift, kita kena audit juga. Dan juga kalau ada shift handover ya, morning to night, night to morning, cara kita handover, kita pun kena buat audit. Okay, the manufacturing process audit shall include an audit of the effective implementation of the process risk analysis such as process FMEA, control plan, and associated documents. So semasa buat audit kan, kita kena cover topik process FMEA ataupun control plan. Okay, let's continue ya. Okay, audit jenis yang ketiga, 9224 product audit. Sini ada FAQ 20 and FAQ 22. The organization shall audit products using customer-specific required approaches at appropriate stages of productions and delivery to verify conformity to specified requirement. Where not defined by the customer, the organization shall define the approach to be used. Okay, ini product audit ni fokus bukan untuk QMS, fokus bukan untuk proses tapi product. Dalam sensor. So kita nak audit produk kita dalam stage production dan juga sebelum delivery kan. Okay, ada tak produk kita meet itu requirement, contoh functional requirement ke, dimensional requirement ke dan sebagainya. Okay, ini pun kena refer kepada customer specific requirement. Kalau customer ada apa-apa special permintaan, kita kena ikut. Kalau tak ada ya, kita sendiri kena define cara kita nak buat product audit. Okay, 9.3 management review. Okay, right. Okay, 9311 management review supplements. Management review shall be conducted at least annually. The frequency of management review shall be increased based on risk to compliance with customer requirements resulting from internal or external changes impacting the quality management system and performance related issues. Okay, so apa benda ni ya? So sekurang-kurangnya kita kena buat meeting management review setahun sekali. Tapi frekuensi ni mungkin akan berubah, mungkin lebih kerap kalau kita ada situasi contoh, ada perubahan, changes internal ke external ke dan sebagainya. Alright. Okay. Alright. So 9321 management review input supplemental. Sanction interpretation SI 13, sanction interpretation SI 16. Sini ada amendment. Yang biru punya is the amendment. Okay. Now, input to management review shall include ya. So maksudnya agenda ataupun data yang input untuk kita buat meeting management review perlu mengambil kira ya. Item A sampailah item ke I. So saya baca satu demi satu ya. Okay. A, cause of poor quality. Ini boleh faham lah. Cause of internal and external non-conformance. Ya, internal reject ataupun external reject. Measures of process effectiveness. Measure of process efficiency for product realization processes as applicable. Product conformance. Assessments of manufacturing feasibility made for changes to existing operation and for new facility or new product. And then customer satisfactions. Review of performance against maintenance objective. Here, focus untuk maintenance. Warranty performance. Review of customer scorecards. Identifications of potential field failures identified through risk analysis. Actual field failures and their impact on safety or the environment. Summary result of measurements at specified stages during the design and development of products and processes as applicable. Okay, so item-item ini kita perlu masukkan sebagai agenda semasa management review meeting. Okay, let's move on. Okay, 9331, management review outputs here, supplemental. Top management shall document and implement an action plan when customer performance target are not met. So, output meeting, ya. Kalau ada customer performance target are not met kan, tak capai, kita perlu ada action plan. Right, clause yang ke-10, improvement, penambahbaikan. Okay, 10.2.3, problem solving. Sini ada sanctioned interpretation SI 20. Yang warna biru ada amendment. The organization shall have a documented processes for problem solving. So documented process maksudnya kena ada turtle diagram, which prevents recurrence, including define approaches for various types and scale of problems. Example, new product development, current manufacturing issues, field failures, audit findings. Containment, interim actions, and related activity necessary for control of non-conforming outputs. Root cause analysis, methodology use, analysis, and results. Implementation of systemic corrective actions, including considerations of the impact on similar processes and product. Verifications of the effectiveness of implemented corrective actions. Reviewing and where necessary, updating the appropriate documented information. Example, PFMEA control plan. When the customer has specific prescribed processes, tools, or systems for problem solving, the organization shall use those processes, tools, or system unless otherwise approved by the customer. Okay, so fokus di sini adalah kena ada cara-cara untuk menyelesaikan masalah. Sama ada semasa ada new product development, ataupun jumpa reject di productions, ataupun customers ada bagi feedback, ada failures, ataupun semasa ada audit ada jumpa masalah non-conformities. So perlu consider apa action yang immediate ya, containment ataupun interim actions, apa action yang segera untuk menangani masalah itu. Kena buat root cause analysis, contoh fishbone ke YY analysis ke. Lepas tu kena buat systemic corrective actions lah, tindakan penyelesaian, ya, penambahbaikan. Lepas buat action, kena buat verifications untuk effectiveness dan juga ya, kalau perlu, update dokumen-dokumen yang berkenaan. So kalau customer ada minta ya cara problem solving yang tertentu atau tools yang tertentu, contoh ya 8D problem solving, dia nak you pakai 8D, kena pakai lah. Kalau customer minta you buat 5Y analysis, then you kena consider ya untuk buat itu. Alright, dan seterusnya 10.2.4 error proving. Error proving. The organization shall have a documented process to determine the use of appropriate error-proving methodologies. Details of the method use shall be documented in the process risk analysis such as BFMEA, and test frequency shall be documented in the control plan. So error-proving maksudnya, error-proving means in Japanese they say pokayoke ya, maksudnya anti salah, okay, and anti salah. Okey, bagaimana nak buat proses kita anti salah? Maksudnya budak ya tak buat silap ya, tak pasang salah, tak ada masalah handling, buat produk kita, thermistor sensor kita ada masalah functional ataupun dimensional. So anti salah. So di sini dia minta ya kita ada documented process lah ya untuk cara-cara untuk pakai error proving anti salah punya methodology. Okay, so dan dia berkaitan dengan PFMEA lah ya. Okay, the process shall include the testing of error-proving devices for failure or simulated failure. Records shall be maintained. Challenge part when used shall be identified, control, verify, and calibrated where feasible. Error-proving device failure shall have a reaction plan. Okay, ini panjang lebar sikit ya. So walaupun kita ada error proving punya device lah, contoh ada chip lah, ada gauge lah, ada tester lah dan sebagainya, tapi kita kena buat simulation untuk pastikan ya memang ini boleh tangkap reject. Dia tak ada buat judgement yang salah. So record perlu dia ada, dan challenge parts ya, challenge parts maksudnya untuk kita punya jig ke gauge ke tools ke yang error proving ini, kita kena buat testing. Challenge part maksudnya kena ada sample yang okay ataupun sample yang reject. Ya, pakai sample itu untuk buat testing atau simulation kan untuk pastikan kita punya jig, kita punya gauge kan sentiasa dalam keadaan yang okay. Ya. Okay, sambung ya. 10.2.5 warranty management system. When the organization is required to provide warranty for their products, and the organization shall implement a warranty management process. The organization shall include in the process a method for warranty part analysis, including no trouble found (NTF). When specified by the customer, the organization shall implement the required warranty management system. Ini quite straightforward. Maksudnya, syarikat kena ada, okay, how should I say? Kalau produk anda you agree dengan customer, you nak provide warranty, contoh 6 bulan ke atau 12 bulan, 2 tahun dan sebagainya. So kita kena ada proses ini, dan dalam proses ini kan kadang-kadang ya kita kena consider, kadang-kadang customer return, kita check, kita buat failure analysis, no problems, tak jumpa masalah. So bagaimana you nak bagi tahu customer NTF, no trouble found. Okay, alright, let's continue. 10.2.6 customer complaint and field failure test analysis. Apa ni ya? Okay, let's continue. The organization shall perform analysis on customer complaint and field failures, including any return parts, and shall initiate problem solving and corrective action to prevent recurrence. When requested by the customer, this shall include analysis of the interactions of embedded software of the organization product within the system of the final customer product. The organization shall communicate the result of testing analysis to the customer and also within the organization. Apa benda ni ya? Ialah return from customer. Kita kena buat failure analysis, bagi tahu apa masalah yang dijumpai. Kalau masalah tanggungjawab kita kena buat action lah untuk buat containment lah, untuk buat corrective action lah dan sebagainya. Tapi kadang-kadang ini bukan masalah kita, masalah customer. So kita kena inform customer apa situasi dia yang sebenar. Okay, kalau sini ya kita ada produk kita berkaitan dengan embedded software, maksudnya ada program dan sebagainya kan ya. So kita kadang-kadang kena couple dengan customer punya produk untuk kita buat testing ataupun simulations. Okay, ikut kepada keperluan ya, ikut kepada keadaan. Okay, right. 10.3.1 continuous improvement supplemental. Okay, this is the last IATF clause lah, yeah. So what happened is the organization shall have a documented process for continuous improvement. The organization shall include in this process the following: identifications of the methodology used, objective measurement, effectiveness, and documented informations. A manufacturing process improvement action plan with emphasis on the reductions of process variations and with risk analysis such as FMEA. Note, continuous improvement is implemented once manufacturing processes are statistically capable and stable, or when the product characteristics are predictable and meet customer requirement. So ini fokus dia kita kena ada proses documented lah, data diagram untuk continuous improvement. So di sini dalam proses kita nak bagi tahu apa metodologi yang kita pakai untuk continuous improvement, penambahbaikan yang berterusan. Contoh objektif kita, cara measurement, right? Bagaimana ya nak buat improvement untuk productions, okay? Nak reduce itu process variations dan juga buat risk analysis. Ya, ini fokus dia untuk clause 10.3.1. Okey, kawan-kawan saya, terima kasih ya untuk finish ya, finish kita punya clause IATF ya, yang clause yang 8, 9 dan 10. Okay, and so that's all from me. Okay, wish you all the best ya. Okay, stay safe ya. Okay, see you again.